When I think of home, I think of a place where there's love overflowing. I wish I was home. I wish I was back there with the things I've been knowing. When that makes the tall glass spin into leaning. Suddenly the raindrops that fall have a meaning, sprinkling the scene, makes it all clean. Maybe there's a chance for me to go back now that I have some direction. It sure would be nice to be back home where there's love and affection. And just maybe I can convince time to slow up, giving me enough time in my life to grow up. Time be my friend. Let me start again. Suddenly my world's gonna change its face, but I still know where I'm going. I have had my mind spun around in space, but I watched it growing. Oh, and if you're listening, God, please don't make it hard to believe the things that we see. Tell us, should we try to stay, or should we run away, or would it be better just to let things be? Living here in this world of ours might be a fantasy, but it's on me to love. It's so real to me, and I've learned that we must look inside our hearts to find a world full